Hey everyone, and welcome to an advice video brought to you by Sportletics. Let's jump right into it. Working with children is what makes up the core of what we do at Sportletics. This can be daunting for some, but anyone can learn to work with children. As with most things, it takes practice and the right kind of advice to help along the way. Whether it's communicating with your own children or working with kids in a school or extracurricular setting, anyone can use these tips to develop positive progress and have fun. Our first tip is to communicate on their level. People often overthink how they should be speaking to children and end up speaking in high voices to seem more approachable, but this is not a good idea. No one likes being patronized, and that goes for children too. Instead, look to create a personal connection. Learn their names and introduce yourself. Be kind, upbeat, and honest. Children appreciate honesty from adults, and they will learn to trust you. Our second tip is to reward them by recognizing their successes. Notice when they do something and voice your recognition for their actions. Children need to know when they are doing well, even more often than when they are doing something poorly. Whether it's through a sticker system or even just verbal praise, positive reinforcement is the most appropriate way of working with children. Our next tip is to lower your voice. This might come as counterintuitive to some, but if you want kids to listen to you, lower the volume of your voice instead of raising it. It brings the children's attention to you and requires them to focus. Soon you will notice that they are all attentive and listening, ready to hear what you have to say. Our fourth tip is to use hands-on activities. As much as possible, use hands-on activities to engage the students. With a mix of shorter attention spans, shy speakers, and sometimes lack of communication from children, hands-on activities help students to understand concepts in a practical way. Our final and most important tip is to connect with the kids. Of course, it's important to connect to the curriculum or lesson you are trying to convey to a kid. Going back to tip number 1, it's even more important to connect with them first and foremost. Ask them questions about their interests and find ways to connect that to the activities. Talk to them about your interests too. You might find commonalities and make better connections. This way, they'll be much more excited about learning, and you can hopefully leave a positive, lasting impact on them. All in all, these are our top tips for working with kids. First, communicate on their level. Second, reward them by recognizing their successes. Third, lower your voice. Fourth, use hands-on activities. And finally, connect with the kids. Overall, stay open-minded, positive, and patient with children's progress. It might be tough at first, but now you've got some more tools to successfully and happily work with kids. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Follow us on Instagram and Twitter, and check out our website at sportletics.org for more information on the community programs that we offer. See you guys next time!